In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if Instagram not letting you to change your profile picture. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram app, then tap at your profile picture. Next, hit on Edit Profile, and here you got an ability to change your profile photo. In order to do that, just tap here where it says Change Profile Photo. And here you can import photo from Facebook, or you can take photo, or you can choose it from library, for example. There you can select any photo that you want and then hit on Done to add it right there on your profile picture. But Instagram in some cases may block that photo if it has inappropriate content. It may be some nudity or some other inappropriate stuff. Instagram detects that types of content and it not allow you to set that pictures as your profile picture on your avatar. In other cases, if your photo does not contain inappropriate content, all you have to do to fix that problem is to force reinstall Instagram app. In order to do that, just open up Settings, then tap at General. Next, iPhone Storage. Here, wait for some couple of seconds, and then scroll down until you find Instagram. There you have an ability to offload that app and then force install it back without deleting your data. So if you tap on offload app, it actually removes app data from your device except your personal data. So now I can tap on reinstall app and it will download all core files of Instagram, because if you can't set your profile picture, it may be some errors or glitching or bugging with your app. And if you tap on reinstall the app, it downloads all the latest data of your Instagram app. And when download is complete, I can open up my Instagram and use it without logging to new accounts, because all my data will be saved. As you can see, now app is reinstalled. I can hit on Instagram icon and use it as I used that before. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.